Me clearing the snow on the stairs so my sister can get in after work. I was also gonna clear the driveway, but she got home before I could, said sister arriving from work. I was on the porch telling her to wait. Her immediately driving into the big pile of snow and getting stuck. Me, flabbergasted. Me pushing her car while she's reversing to get it unstuck. I fell. US getting bricks hoping it would help. We're just girls. The street is completely frozen too, we can't do much. Me finally getting the car unstuck. We clearly are not meant for the snow. She fell again off camera.